Hi guys, today I have another Matryoshka video, but it is fairy tale, and this one is called Firebird, and it's also been signed at the bottom of the set, which is very tiny bit common where I live, but it's not that. But it is rare to find one signed. Well, properly signed, because I have other Matryoshkas, but when I look underneath, it just said made in China. So I'm like, what? Anyways, now I got this set from a flea market where I live. This one couldn't took a bit longer to open because it hasn't been opened for a while. That's 1, 2, 3, and then 4, and then 5. So that's it for today, guys. Bye.